Dear researchers, research knows no boundaries. It is estimated that up to 87% of academic research potential remains untapped. This often happens because researchers lack critical skills in design, communication, and publication strategies. At Diplomate Global, we understand that researchers and institutions gain recognition, attract funding, improve academic rankings, recruit top talent, and make meaningful scientific contributions. However, many researchers lack the necessary resources and expertise to achieve these goals. This is where our Diplomate in Research and Publication Strategy program comes in. It is a comprehensive online research methodology and strategic plan to enhance academic profile from healthcare and academic scholars to engineers and management professionals. The program helps develop crucial research skills and supports researchers in getting their papers published in high-quality journals. No other program is as tailored to the multidisciplinary needs of modern researchers, as it covers research design methodology, advanced writing skills, ethical integrity, collaborative networking, strategic publishing, and research impact evaluation. Career Acceleration Support DRPS offers comprehensive global research support, guiding students through the entire research cycle from question design to international publication, complemented by expert mentorship. Students can choose to take the entire program or select specific modules or follow learning paths designed for new or experienced researchers. Learning is delivered by national and international experts through video lectures, narrated slides, in-house research repository, practical multimedia content, multilingual support, interactive hands-on workshop. Each module starts with learning outcomes. Multiple choice assessments ensure comprehensive learning, and an exclusive e-certificate is awarded upon completion. Our Diplomate in Research and Publication Strategy can be taken as a standalone course or integrated into existing academic and professional development programs. Your research, your impact, your future is our priority. Contact Diplomate Global today to learn how our research and publication strategy program can help you and your institution to improve research output and achieve great success in academic publishing. Contact Diplomate Global today to propagate your academic journey with the Diplomate in Research and Publication Strategy.